Out grocery shopping, I tried so hard to suppress a sneeze so I wouldn't get glares from people I couldn't hold it. So I tried to internally sneeze, which caused me to fart, pee a little, and cough violently. People's faces went from glares to total concern for my life. My son came home with a Great at Sharing award from daycare. I was surprised at first because sharing isn't his strong suit at home, but then I saw Alan written at the bottom. My son stole the sharing award from Alan. I hope there's an award for ingenuity.